Welcome to Factful Journey Podcast. Today we are talking about something powerful and life-changing, how to achieve big goals step by step in a realistic and practical way. Maybe your big goal is mastering English fluency, landing your dream job in tech, building a side business, improving your health, or achieving financial freedom. Big goals are exciting, but let's be honest. Most people don't fail because their goals are impossible. They fail because their goals are unclear, rushed, and unsupported by proper systems. Motivation feels strong in the beginning, but after a few weeks, energy drops, distractions increase, and life becomes busy. That's why today we are not talking about motivation. We are talking about structure, because success is built on systems, not emotions. The first step to achieving any big goal is defining it clearly. Most people say things like, I want to be successful, or I want to learn English. That sounds good, but it gives your brain no clear direction. Vague goals create vague action. Instead, make your goals specific, measurable, and time-bound. For example, instead of saying, I want to improve my English, say, I will reach B2 English level in 12 months by practicing 30 minutes daily and passing IELTS with a score of 6.5 or higher. Now your goal has clarity, measurement, and a deadline. Also ask yourself why it matters. Maybe it's for career growth, confidence, or better opportunities. When you clearly define your goal and write it down, your brain shifts from dreaming to planning. The second step is breaking your big goal into smaller milestones. Looking at the entire mountain is overwhelming, so focus only on the next step. If your goal is 12 months long, divide it into quarters. For example, the first quarter could focus on basics, the second on improvement, the third on advanced practice, and the fourth on final preparation. Then break those into monthly and weekly tasks. When you focus on daily actions instead of the entire journey, progress feels manageable. Small wins create momentum, and momentum builds belief. The third step is building daily habits that support your goal. Goals are outcomes, but habits are the engine that drives those outcomes. If your daily routine does not support your goal, nothing changes. If your goal is English fluency, your habits might include daily speaking practice, vocabulary review, and listening exercises. If your goal is career growth in tech, your habits might include daily coding practice and weekly networking. Choose 2 or 3 key habits and attach them to your existing routine. For example, after morning coffee, review your goals. After dinner, practice speaking. Before bed, read 1 page. When habits become automatic, progress becomes easier. The fourth step is creating a detailed action plan. A goal without a plan is only a wish. List the skills you need, the resources required, the courses to take, and the time blocks necessary. Put deadlines next to each task and schedule them in your calendar. If something is not scheduled, it usually does not happen. At the same time, keep some flexibility. Life is unpredictable, so build buffer time into your plan. Structure creates discipline, but flexibility prevents burnout. The fifth step is building a support system. Achieving big goals alone is difficult. Share your goal with 2 or 3 positive, growth-oriented people. Find a mentor, join a community, or connect with friends who are also improving themselves. Accountability increases commitment. When others know your goal, you take it more seriously. Surround yourself with people who push you forward, not those who discourage you. The sixth step is tracking your progress consistently. What gets measured gets improved. Track simple indicators such as daily practice minutes, tasks completed, or skills learned. Review your progress weekly and ask yourself what worked, what didn't, and what can be improved. Reflection prevents you from spending months working in the wrong direction. Small adjustments create long-term results. The seventh step is preparing for obstacles. Challenges are guaranteed. You will feel tired, distracted, or unmotivated at times. Plan for these moments in advance. exclusive in thinking. If you feel unmotivated, commit to doing just 5 minutes. If you miss one day, do not miss two. Avoid all or nothing thinking. Progress matters more than perfection. Every setback is feedback, not failure. The 8th step is staying motivated through internal reasons rather than external rewards. External rewards like praise or money fade over time. Internal reasons such as growth, pride, purpose, and identity last longer. Visualize your success daily. Imagine yourself achieving your goal and feeling proud. However, remember that motivation will not always be present. That is why systems and habits are more powerful than temporary excitement. The 9th step is adapting as you grow. Sometimes strategies need adjustment. A course may not be effective, or your schedule may need change. Be flexible. Adjust your approach instead of quitting entirely. Adaptation is strength, not weakness. Growth requires learning and improvement along the way. The final step is thinking long-term. Big goals are marathons, not sprints. Small daily improvements compound over time. Getting 1% better each day leads to massive growth over a year. Intensity burns out, but consistency builds legacy. Once you achieve your goal, integrate it into your identity. See yourself as disciplined, focused, and capable. That mindset creates lifelong growth. Achieving big goals is not about having extraordinary discipline. It is about building a clear structure, defining your goal, breaking it down, building habits, planning actions, tracking progress, adapting when needed, and staying consistent. Start today by writing your goal clearly and identifying the first small step. In 6 to 12 months, your life can look completely different, not because of one dramatic action, but because of daily, steady effort. If this episode gave you clarity and direction, like, share, and subscribe to Factful Journey Podcast for more practical growth content. Your future self is waiting. See you in the next episode.